so good to see you. Thanks for coming back. So today I'm going to be opening up Play by Sephora. This runs $10 a month. It is plus tax, so it runs about $10.70 for me. You got to add in that tax, and usually includes about 5 to 6 samples. So they always have a huge pamphlet included. The theme this month is Destination Beauty. And at the back, it gives you a full list of everything that's included this month and tips on how to use it. And this is the bag for this month. It's orange. Assuming it's supposed to be very summery. It feels like a orange-sickle, orangeade. Like, what is this? I guess orange is the color of summer. And at the back, it says, work hard, play harder, Biossance. And this is a squalene and tea tree detox mask. Face is freshly washed. There's a seal on it, which is always a plus. So that's what it looks like. It smells good. I'm okay with it. The tea tree is there, but it's not overpowering. It's not gritty. It's really smooth, actually. It says avoid the eye area. I don't think a quarter size is going to work for me. I got a big face, people. Nobody ever takes into account those with big faces. Can't you say, ooh, ooh, it's tingling. Holy moly. Oh, wow, it's tingly. I just washed my face and, oh, it's tingly. Oh, this is more than a tingle. Holy moly. What is this supposed to do again? It is just, oh, it draws out impurities. Holy moly. I can feel it doing something. Oh, it hurts. Basically all my pores, so all over here, around my mouth area down here, I have really large pores, and it is going in. And it's supposed to be a skin calming clay mask, so I don't know what that tingle was. It was actually a little bit above a tingle and a low burn. It didn't last very long. Essentially what this is supposed to do is to help draw out the impurity. Full size is $39. Alright, so I washed it off. My skin doesn't feel any different. It smells nice, but doesn't feel any different. So I'm assuming it's just one of those masks that over time, you will see an improvement. I cannot testify to that. First Aid Beauty. This is an Ultra Repair BarriAIR cream. There's no seal on it, but that is the inside of the, it's exactly what it looks like. Oh, it's not muddied by like a fragrance or anything, but it still smells okay. Alright, so let's moisturize. It feels fine. I can't even feel it, honestly. It's like super light. Went on smooth, covered my whole face. Felt great. Full size of this runs $30. So I have my eyes halfway done. Is a product from Tarte, and it's a High Performance Naturals Foundcealer Multitasking Foundation. Broad Spectrum SPF 20 sunscreen, which is absolutely great for summer for me. Well, I'm excited to get this. So it's a Foundcealer, so I don't have to set, erases 3 steps, it's just one. Oh, ooh, and I think they got my shade. Look at that. I'm actually gonna look up and see how many shades they actually have. Holy cow. How many shades? So there are 30 shades of this. I will be extremely stunned if they actually get my shade right. This is crazy. Oh, it says 60H, mahogany. It's awfully freaking close. Oh, it's the darkest shade. I'm scared. I'm scared. Ooh, okay, it comes on a pump. And it gives you instructions on how to use. For sheer to light coverage, fingertips. Light to medium coverage, moist beauty sponge. Medium coverage, buff it on with a foundation brush. And I like medium coverage, so I'm doing a foundation brush. I don't know if this is gonna match me. Ooh, I think it might. Alright, let's swipe it on. I'm gonna do this side of my face just because I'm not. Oh, ooh. I think it works. It's a little more red than I would like. Maybe I'm not peachy undertones, who knows? Oh my goodness, so this is the Foundcealer. This is without the Foundcealer. What do you think? I definitely appreciate that it has the SPF, but on camera it looks like it works. But it's definitely a matte. It like goes down like... Looks like I have a normal face. Man. I have the Foundcealer all done. I put some setting powder down, and the Babassu Foundcealer runs $39. So I don't know if I'll get it. I mean, it has SPF in it. What am I talking about? Yeah, I'll get it. Perfume from Dolce and Gabanna. And this is basically just like a little sample. There's the inside, and that's the back of it. And this is the bonus item this month. So with the Dolce & Gabbana, it runs anywhere from $29 to $120, depending on what size you get. Oh, it smells awesome. It smells heavenly, actually. I'm actually quite surprised. Usually I'm like really sensitive to perfume smells, but this smells really, really good. So next we have a product from Farmacy. I actually really love this brand, and it is a green clean makeup melt away cleansing balm. So it says just rub in on dry skin and then wipe away with a warm face towel. It's like solid. Oh, it smells so good. I don't know what the smell is, but it smells amazing. Yeah, look at my fingers. Yeah, melt away is right. And I'm just gonna use this face towel. Oh wow, this worked like a charm. Yay for Farmacy. Well, that is a really good product. It smells really good. It got the job done. The makeup is off my face. And full size of this runs $34. And then I have a Laneige. I don't know if you can see that. The writing is super pale, which I don't think is very smart. But it is a lip sleeping mask. Inside. The full size of this runs $20. Oh wow, it's really thick. And there are like 6,000 reviews on Sephora for this, so obviously it works well. It's like 4.5 stars. It is super thick. It's like probably the thickest lip balm I've ever had. There's a very light scent of vanilla. It's not strong at all. And just leave this on overnight and my lips should be fabulous in the morning. Bye!